What's the meaning of client-server? Client-server. Client-server.
Client-server. Client-server. Client-server is a computing architecture that divides tasks between the client and the server. The client sends requests to the server, which processes them and sends back the results. This approach simplifies software development by allowing servers to handle complex tasks and clients to present results in a user-friendly manner. Additionally, client-server architectures enable better scalability, as multiple clients can simultaneously access a single server. Overall, this approach enables more efficient use of resources while providing users with a seamless experience.